Good morning. It is 11th day of improving my communication in English. And coming to yesterday, as usual, I woke up at 6 o'clock and visited fields. I spent around 20-30 minutes here. After that, I have seen a video on YouTube. It is on TEDx for 15 minutes. It is about how to stop self-doubting. And after that, I have practiced some skill problems by seeing on YouTube. Next, we have done a festival yesterday, so I have been went there for 3 hours. That is 10 to 1 o'clock. After that, I returned to home and I have taken a nap for 3 hours. I woke up at 5 o'clock. After that, I returned to fields. I spent here 1 hour. Next, I went for my brother's house. I spent there 1 hour and I returned to home. After that, I have taken my dinner. Next, I have applied for jobs around 6 to 7. Next, after that, I have practiced pronunciation by seeing in YouTube videos. That is for 15 minutes. After that, I have learned new words. That is faint, unclear, brisky, quick, harsh, talking rudely, and dull, sad, and crave, having a strong desire for something.